Hello guys, it's Mayo here. I'm one of your tutors from Epoch Academy, and I'm also one of the co-founders of Epoch Digital, which is an IT company that specializes in gadget and IT consulting. And leveraging importation is very important in our business. In fact, importation is one of the major roles in our business. It's one of the major things that makes our business function. So I'll give you a case scenario. One of our services in our business is custom PC building. So we get to assemble computers for clients, and because of this, we would need to import components that we would use to assemble these computers. Now, components are not what you would see on a regular day in Nigeria. In fact, they are very, very hard to come by, and especially for specific needs. Let's say a client wants a computer for 3D architectural work, or for game designing, or what have you. So this kind of components are not readily available in the local market. So importation, like I said, plays a very, very, very important role in our business. One of the stores, in fact, one of the most important stores in our business is the Amazon store. There are other stores like AliExpress and many other Chinese stores, but we choose to go with the Amazon store because of quality control, and there are far less cases of what I ordered versus what I got when you use the Amazon store. In fact, it's almost next to impossible because Amazon works with certified retailers. Even when you want to pre-order items, some of these items come on the once they are announced by the manufacturer, they come on the Amazon store before any other e-commerce store. So there are a lot of advantages of learning how to ship with the Amazon store. So basically, this class is going to expose you to some techniques to help you get started with the Amazon store. I believe from the little introduction I gave, we understand why we should shop from Amazon. Some other objectives we are going to accomplish in this course is setting up an Amazon account. I'm going to walk you through and setting up an Amazon account. We're also going to set up multi-factor authentication, which is a very important security technique, not just for the Amazon store, but for any e-commerce store. In fact, any store that involves you spending money, or you have a lot of private information, and the service has multi-factor authentication as a security option. Don't joke with it. Set up multi-factor authentication for whatever online service. If at all the option is provided, the security option is provided. So I'm going to walk you through setting up multi-factor authentication for your Amazon account. We're going to learn how to utilize a technique known as couponing to either save money as a personal shopper or as a buyer, or make money as an importer. I'm going to walk you through that process. Then I'm also going to walk you through purchasing an item on Amazon down to shipping of that item. So doing how to track an item after you've paid for it, particularly for Nigerians, because we have challenges such as payment methods not working, and sometimes we are very worried about logistics. So I'm going to walk you through a very simple process of purchasing and actually get your items to Nigeria. So yeah. Hello guys, so I'm going to walk you through setting up an Amazon account today. So basically what we're going to do is head over here and click the start here link. So I'm going to put a name here. I'll use Epoch Academy. I'm going to use this email. So basically what I did here was use a technique known as aliasing. So I have an email already linked to an Amazon account, epochagencyng@gmail.com, but I don't want to create a new email address. So I use the aliasing technique whereby I include a plus sign and give a shortcut name. So in this case, the name of my shortcut is class. So I added that to my email domain. So it's still going to point back to the original email, which is epochagencyng@gmail.com. So I'm going to create a password. Okay, let's try and solve this puzzle. Hopefully I get it. Okay, correct. So I'm going to check my mail now for the passcode or OTP, sorry. Um, okay, it's going to tell me to add a new number. Usually once you do this, now be you'll be redirected to the Amazon homepage. But I don't really have any free numbers now, so if you're on this screen, put your Nigerian phone number, come over here, search for Nigeria and put your Nigerian phone number. So I already have, like I said, I already have an account here. I don't want I don't really have any extra numbers. So I won't be able to go past this stage. I'll log into my original account. So once you've inputted your own phone number, you'll be redirected to the Amazon homepage. So with your account signed in. So you input your phone number and sign in. Once you're in the Amazon login page, you've signed up and you're redirected to the home page, then we'll continue. Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about couponing. So basically couponing is a technique for saving money, even as a personal shopper, or you could even maximize profit with couponing as an importer. So let's get started. So to get started with couponing on Amazon, you simply type in Amazon coupons on the search bar, and let's press enter. So this will enable us to see items that are eligible for coupons. So you can see some items here in different categories. These are most popular items. These are home items. These are handmade items, beauty items, electronics. Let's look at this beauty product. I know a lot of Nigerian ladies do hair importation. They are into this hair importation business. So let's look at this. So I'm going to click this coupon. It's a $40 coupon. Basically, clipping a $40 coupon means I'm going to save up to $40 on this item. So I've clicked this coupon. Now I'm going to try and purchase the item. Okay, the item originally cost $169.99. So, okay. So I'm going to click the buy now. So we see our order summary and we see how we are going to be charged. I'll take this free shipping. So Okay, so as you can see, this is my address, the offers. Okay, no. Okay, so the item originally cost 169.99, and you can see that what I'm actually going to pay for is 129.99. So this is one of the advantages of couponing. $40 is not small money if you are a Nigerian. Even if you are not a Nigerian, $40 is not small money. So this is just an example. In some cases, depending on the product, you could save more. There was an item I saved up to $200 on. So that's the whole idea of couponing. Hello guys, so I'll walk you through setting up multi-factor authentication on your account. Like I said, this is a very mandatory security measure you should follow because in the online space, you should be wary of hackers, especially when you do a lot of transactions online. The more active you are, the more likely you are prone to security risks. So without further ado, let's go into how to set up multi-factor authentication. So you click your account, head over to login and security. So scroll down and under two-step verification, I already have an authenticator app enrolled with my account, but we can still go ahead and maybe try to set up another authenticator app. So I'll click manage. I'm going to click add new app. So I'm going to click this drop down so you can see examples of authenticator apps you could use. So there's AWS Virtual MFA. What I use though is the Google Authenticator. If you have a Microsoft account or an Outlook account, you could use the Microsoft Authenticator. But I feel majority of users use Gmail account. So you can simply go to the Play Store and download the Google Authenticator, set it up, then scan your barcode. Not my barcode on the screen, your own barcode. And you get an OTP. Then you type it here and click verify OTP and continue. The app will be enrolled to your account. So that's a very simple tutorial on how to set up multi-factor authentication. I'm going to walk you through the process of buying items and shipping items as well as tracking items on the Amazon store. So firstly, you need to set up your address. That's the first step. So I already have my addresses set up. For this case, I'm going to stick with my Nigerian address. So as soon as I do that, as soon as I change my address to a Nigerian address, you'll see that a lot of products are going to disappear because there are some items that are eligible for global shipping and there are items that are strictly restricted to the US market. This is a free webinar. If you want me to teach you, you want to learn further, definitely this is one reason you should pay for our course. So this webinar is going to teach you how to simply order items to the country that relate to Nigeria. But if you want to have access to other items that are restricted to the US market, then you would have to pay for our course. So this is my Nigerian address. I'm going to search for a product, or let me just use this product here. Let me see if it's going to be possible to ship to Nigeria. Okay, the item ships to Nigeria, so this is quite expensive though. Okay, you can see the item is also eligible for coupons as well. I can apply 6% coupon. So it's going to save me money. Oh, from this total price, it's going to save me additional 6% off this $7.99. So I'm going to apply this coupon. One thing we should look out for is the seller ratings. So when you are buying items, always look out for the seller ratings. So you can see this is an excellent seller. So 75%, 4 stars, 12%. Let me scroll down and see more. 1 star, 6%. This is an amazing seller and 5,319 ratings. So when you are purchasing items, it is very important for you to look at the ratings. So, you can see, take a look. Okay, the origin is from China. We can look at comments, some reviews, and there's a lot of positive reviews. So we are good to go. So I'm going to click the buy now. I'm going to use my Nigerian address because I'm not shipping to the US. It's my US address. So another thing too is you have to set up a means of identity, probably your NIN or your passport. So you have to set up a payment method. This I'll discuss in my paid course, or in our paid course rather. So you get to know how to set up payment methods with Amazon. So you can be able to purchase in dollars, because if you put your Naira card here, it's not going to work. So, okay. So you can see the order summary here. You can see that our coupon savings. So 6% of this amount, 6% obviously of $8 is 0.48. So we are 7.48. That's relatively small, but we are still saving something regardless. So, no tax. So you can see our import duties. There are cheaper ways to bring this to the country, but this is one method if you want to ship directly to Nigeria. So immediately I place my order, I'm not going to place my order because I don't want to be debited, but immediately I click place my order, automatically the item is going to be ordered, and within a short while they will send me tracking details.